Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to swap faces in Canva completely free using one of Canva's built-in apps. If you've ever wanted to make funny edits, create entertaining social media posts, or just experiment with AI photo effects, this is a really simple and beginner-friendly way to do it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to upload your photos, use Canva's Face Swap tool, and create a finished image in just a few minutes. Let's jump right in. First, head over to Canva and sign into your account. You can do this on your browser or through the Canva mobile app, whichever you prefer. Once you're on the home page, click the Create a Design button near the top right corner. For this tutorial, choose Custom Size. To keep things simple, let's set the canvas to 100 by 100 pixels for practice. If you plan on using the final image for social media or printing later, you can always create a larger canvas size afterward. Once you enter the dimensions, click Create New Design. Canva will open a blank workspace where we'll build the face swap. Now let's upload the main image. Go to the Uploads tab on the left-hand side and upload the photo you want to edit. This is usually the base image where the new face will appear. Try to choose a photo where the face is clear, well-lit, and mostly facing forward. Face swap tools generally work best when the facial features are easy to detect. After uploading the image, drag it onto your canvas and resize it if needed. Now for the fun part. On the left sidebar, scroll down and click Apps. Canva includes a bunch of extra tools here for editing, AI features, and creative effects. Inside the app's search bar, type Reface. Once the Reface app appears, open it. This is Canva's built-in face swap tool, and it's surprisingly easy to use. The app will first ask you to select the image already on your canvas. After that, you'll need to upload or choose the second face you want to swap into the photo. For example, you could swap your own face onto a movie character, a friend's face onto a funny stock image, or just experiment with different portraits just for fun. Once both images are selected, click the Swap Face button. Now give Canva a few moments to process everything. Depending on your internet speed and the images you're using, this might take a little time. When the processing finishes, your face-swapped image will appear directly inside the design workspace. At this point, you can make extra adjustments if you want. You can resize the image, add text, apply filters, include stickers, or even create a meme-style graphic before downloading it. If the result doesn't look perfect the first time, don't worry. Sometimes trying a different angle, clearer image, or better lighting can dramatically improve the effect. That's one of the fun parts of experimenting with AI editing tools like this. Once you're happy with your design, click the Share button in the top right corner, then choose Download. PNG usually works best for images like this because it keeps the quality nice and sharp. And that's it. You've successfully created a face swap in Canva using a completely free built-in tool. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment below with what kind of edits you want to try next, and subscribe for more easy Canva tutorials and creative editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.